The development situation of AI technology in the business field. In recent years, the development of artificial intelligence, AI, has had a significant impact on the business world. AI technology has the potential to transform a wide range of business processes, from customer service and marketing to operations and supply chain management. One of the most promising areas of development for AI in business is in the realm of data analytics. AI-powered algorithms are able to analyze large amounts of data more quickly and accurately than humans, providing insights that can help businesses make informed decisions and improve their operations. In addition, AI-powered chatbots are being developed to provide more efficient and effective customer service, freeing up human employees to focus on more complex tasks. Another area where AI is being developed for use in business is in the realm of marketing and advertising. AI-powered algorithms can analyze consumer behavior and preferences, allowing businesses to tailor their marketing campaigns and product offerings to better meet customer needs. Additionally, AI-powered tools are being developed to automate tasks such as ad placement and content creation, potentially reducing costs and increasing efficiency. AI is also being developed for use in supply chain management, where it can be used to optimize inventory levels, improve delivery times, and reduce waste. AI-powered algorithms can analyze factors such as demand forecasts, production schedules, and shipping routes to optimize supply chain operations and reduce costs. However, as with any technology, there are also concerns about the potential negative impacts of AI on the workforce. As AI becomes more capable of performing tasks traditionally done by humans, there is a risk of job displacement in certain industries. It is important to address these concerns and work towards a future where AI and human workers can coexist and complement each other's capabilities. Moreover, it is important to ensure that the development and use of AI in business is guided by principles of ethics and responsibility. AI-powered algorithms must be transparent and accountable, and must not be used to perpetuate biases or harm human well-being. As AI technology continues to advance, there are a number of new developments that are likely to have a significant impact on the business world. For example, AI-powered chatbots are being developed that are able to understand natural language and respond to customer inquiries in real time. This has the potential to revolutionize customer service, providing a more efficient and effective way for businesses to interact with their customers. Another development is the use of AI in predictive analytics. This involves using AI-powered algorithms to analyze data and make predictions about future events, such as customer behavior or market trends. This can help businesses make more informed decisions and stay ahead of the competition. AI is also being developed for use in financial services, where it can be used to automate tasks such as fraud detection and risk management. AI-powered algorithms are able to analyze large amounts of data in real time, identifying potential risks and detecting fraud more quickly and accurately than traditional methods. However, as AI technology continues to evolve, there are also concerns about the potential negative impacts on privacy and security. AI-powered algorithms are able to analyze vast amounts of data about individuals, potentially compromising their privacy. Additionally, there is a risk that AI-powered systems could be hacked or compromised, leading to serious security breaches. To address these concerns, it is important to ensure that AI systems are developed and deployed with a focus on security and privacy. This includes implementing robust security measures and ensuring that AI algorithms are transparent and accountable. In addition, it is important to ensure that the development of AI is done in a way that is beneficial to society as a whole. This means taking into account issues such as job displacement and ensuring that the benefits of AI are shared widely.